Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor cap from the router. Now I have access to the brushes. Next, I'll remove the brush wire. Now I'll use a hook to pull the spring away from the brush, and I'll remove the brush from the holder. Now I can install the new brush. Again, I'll use the hook to pull the brush spring back. Now I'll insert the brush into the holder. The wire needs to be at the bottom of the brush. I'll place the spring back over the brush and reinstall the wire. And I'll repeat this on the other side. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap. And that's all it takes to install a set of carbon brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.